Hello guys, this is Aryan and welcome back to Stock Market University. So today we're going to be looking at an interesting strategy. This is one that combines an indicator called the SuperTrend along with Fibonacci numbers, and it really produces great results on intraday charts as well as some medium to short term charts. I've seen it work well anyway from the 2 day to up to 10-15 days kind of time frame. So without further ado, let's begin. What you're gonna do is just look up SuperTrend. It's one of the most popular indicators, would easily find it. And you're gonna go ahead and hook yourself up with two super trends instead of one. So add two super trends. Now for the first one, you'll go to the settings and at the inputs, change the ATR length to 21 and the factor to 1. Alright. And the second one, you'll want to change the ATR to 8 and the factor remains 3. That's what we want. Now what super trend basically is, it's this red line whenever it's bearish. So we have two red lines, of course, because we have two super trends whenever it's bearish, and the green lines whenever it's bullish. So the strategy is pretty simple, not too much to work on. It's just whenever you see that both the super trends are aligned in the same direction and they have an angle to them. By an angle, what I mean is if you look here, super trend is at an angle, both of them are. But when you moved on to the next move, the bearish one after this bullish momentum we saw in Apple, the super trends, both of them were aligned in the same direction for the most part, both of them were red, but it was flattish. See here, the slant of the super trend compared to this one is nowhere near as sharp. So the trend really wasn't that strong towards the downside. Let's move back and look at a few more examples. We see here again, both of them were aligned. Now you could have taken a trade here and still made relatively decent profits, nothing too bad for intraday movements. But then again, if you saw this, the slant here on the super trend, especially the shorter one up here, which is a more tighter one, slant really isn't too much to be happy about when you're taking a trade. As for just before this, now there's a slant you can trade right there. From the first one just to the second one, you see a slant that's really sharp. Something more than I think 40 degrees around. I'm not calculating it or anything, but just going off eye short basis, that looks about a little more than 40 degrees and works out pretty well. The fall was sharp and fast. Could have captured an easy, I think $2.5 on intraday here, which is pretty damn good. Again here, both of these, as you can see, first one of them turned green around here. Second one confirmed it around here. Then the slant really started improving when it made this first little peak right here. You could see a slant of about 45 degrees maybe there, and you didn't enter a trade on this retest right here, right after it. So I'm talking about this candle. You enter it there, and boom, get a pretty good move out of that. I think in a couple of days or maybe intraday, even another 2-3 points there. All right, so this is a bit of a shorter video, guys, because that's about it with the SuperTrend Fibonacci number strategy. If you want any more information on this, or if you want more content like this, please feel free to leave that in the comments. And if you did like this video, please do like and subscribe. That's about it, guys. I'll see you in the next one. Thank you for watching.